Hi everyone, we're going to graph the secant line and find the equation of the secant line containing our x's from -2 to 1. We're going to have to find our y's, and this is the problem we are doing, and I've already done these three if you need to see those. So basically, let's get started. Basically, a secant line is the average rate of change, which is the slope. So this is the curve from some x1 to x2, and the secant line merely is you connect those points and make a line. So it's the slope, and that's the average rate of change of that curve. And we want to go from -2 to 1 on the x values. So we merely have to find our x and then, our y, and then find the slope. So let's plug in -2 here and see what we get for our y. So this is going to be 4 plus 4 minus 3. So 8 minus 3 is 5. And then let's try 1. And we get 1 squared minus 2 minus 3. So 1 minus 5 equals -4. All right, so we have our 2 points. And we just use our slope formula. And we get our slope equals -4 minus 5 divided by 1 minus a -2. So this is -9 divided by 3. So our slope is -3. Now to find your equation of the secant line, we're going to write y equals -3x plus b. Plug in one of these points. I'll just plug in that one. So you get -4 equals -3 times 1 is just -3 plus b. If you add 3 to both sides, you get -1 equals b. So your equation of the secant line is going to be y equals your slope and your b, -3. So there's your equation of your secant line. All right. Now, I need to remember these. So we have -2, 5, 1, -4. -2, 5, 1, -4. So I'm going to plot those points first. So -2 maps to 5. -2, and we want to 1. So this is what we're looking for, the secant line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1 goes to -4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. I know my y-intercept is -3. 1, 2, 3. And let's factor this and find my x-intercepts. We get x minus 3, x plus 1. So x is 3, and x is -1. So we have this x-intercept there, and x-intercept at 3. 1, 2, 3. So it looks like this is our vertex. So let's kind of graph this. Between these two intercepts, we have 1, and 1 already goes to -4. So this one looks like an easier one. Let's kind of connect everything. I have to do it this way. And if I go up here, I'm going to be over about, so let's see, 1, 2, 3, about here. Just trying to get a frame for this. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now the secant line, this one's going to be a little hard, is from -2 to 1. So we want the average rate of change of that curve. That curve from -1 to 1. So I'm just going to connect those two. And the equation of my secant line was, what was that? -3x minus 1. So I know it's going to go through here. My y-intercept. So basically, let's go. There is your slope right there, -3. Now to get the equation of the secant line, we just want to kind of extend this out. So that would be your actual line for the secant line. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.